Up in flames, farmers and residents of Little Park District in Pedro Plains, St. Elizabeth are counting millions in losses after a major bushfire leveled farms and damaged houses at the weekend. Krista Campbell has the details.
An entire field of melons and other crops burnt to ashes in Little Park District, Pedro Plains, St. Elizabeth. Farmers say they've also lost goats in the aftermath of what they describe as a huge bushfire that swallowed acres of farmlands. The fire started sometime after 4 o'clock Friday evening, putting nearby houses and residents smack in the middle of danger.
Smell it first, but the breeze is so strong. And then I said to Bedroom Jeff, say fire, and Jeff said, Wally, yes, sit up as a boy. And when you ride and drive and go on the road, so the fire start. And in a quick second, it don't so.
They have a call me and tell me to run out of the house and something because I hang out some clothes on the line and then I see the smoke and then after that the fire starts, so I have to run go take up the clothes off of the line and then run grab some of my things and run go down there.
We have to grab water and a chop and out here.
Run too?
Yes, I'm run through this with some clothes. I want to see me run with my clothes them yesterday. And my 3 baby in my hand. Yes. I say I run yesterday, I panic, I chimba like a leaf.
My mother, 93-year-old, and the fire went so close that we have to lift her up like a baby and we have to take her out.
Units from the Black River, Junction and Santa Cruz fire stations responded and put out the fire Friday night, but the damage has been significant.
We lose over 50 or 60 acres of farming land with drip hose, jump, water jump,
grass
we take up, and you know grass is very expensive, so you know that is a big loss for we.
This has set back at least 80% of we farming gone for yes, as you see it, for the weather rough already. Basically, enough of them are growing a truck, we have to chuck alcohol water and something, buy water and something. For the irrigation system, I don't know about them.
We now recover from the storm, all know, because to be honest, we don't get no assistant and we are chair for ourselves. But it's just like we are chair for right now, and boy, this year affect we badly again. So it went through right back on our face.
Firefighters are yet to confirm exactly what caused the blaze, but they have been repeating calls for persons to be careful lighting fires during these dry, windy times. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.
Meanwhile, Agriculture Minister Floyd Green says preliminary assessment of the fire is that close to 24 farmers have been affected. The fire consumed roughly 50 hectares of land. Minister Green, who was speaking at the Denby Agricultural Show in Clarendon, says help is on the way.
The RADA team has already been dispatched. They have gone, they have already taken note of the losses of the farmers. We already recognize that most of the farmers lost permanent secondary storage tanks. About 20 storage tanks we've already accounted for that have been lost. A lot of them lost grass that they were preparing for mulch. Some of them lost strip holes. I want to assure the farmers that help is on its way. And I think they know by now when we have issues of that nature, we will support the farmers to get back up and running as quickly as possible.